Hi, everyone.
Hey, friends.
Anthony and I just wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Christmas is just the best. It's just such a magical time of year.
So, Anthony, what do you want to do today?
I want to play Spot the Candy Cane.
Well, that sounds holly and jolly. And fun, too.
Oh, yeah. It's totally tinsel. I'm going to hide the candy cane, and then you try and find it. Okay, round number 1. Try and find the candy cane. Did you find it? Woohoo! Good job! Alright, it's time for round 2. These are all the presents Santa Claus brought from the North Pole. Can you find the hidden candy cane? Did you see it here? I bet you did, because you're awesome. Alright, let's go on to round 3. Woohoo! This tree looks better in the dark. That's more like it. Okay, try and find the candy cane. You found it? Yay! I knew you could do it. And guess what? I have a surprise for you. It's a bonus round. Can you find my teddy? There he is. Good job. I hope you had fun playing with me. Also, do you want to see my Christmas lights quick? All right, big man, let's show them what we got. I hope you enjoyed the light show. All right, if you need me, I'll be spoiling my Christmas dinner.
Thank you so much for watching. We really hope that you had fun.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our fun upcoming episodes. Have a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year, too.
Bye.
Bye.